incident took place at a petrol pump located in Uttar Pradesh's Hardoi. During routine duty, salesman Rajneesh Kumar asked a woman to step out of her vehicle while filling the CNG. Now, according to reports, the woman identified as Husn Bano, when the salesman requested her to step out of the vehicle as per a standard protocol, the girl reportedly got angry. In a fit of anger, she yanked out a pistol and pointed that particular pistol at the salesman's chest and threatened to fire a lot of bullets that his family will not be able to even recognize him. And we have Ariba Khar now joining us at this point in time, the woman that you can see in this visual right now. Firstly, why did you bring out the pistol at the petrol pump? Can you tell us?
Because there are lots of people, they are more in number, and they abuse my father, and they just doing the wrong thing with my father, and they just going to fight with my father. As everyone see the video, my father is senior citizen, so as the defense I used the pistol. First of all, there is nothing in my mind to shoot anyone like that, but I was just defending me and my family, because because at that day we are going to celebrate the Father's Day, and they just destroy our Father's Day celebration and blah blah blah. So there are lots of things like that. We just defend ourselves, nothing more than that.
But the question is, why were you carrying a pistol? Is it right to threaten someone with a pistol like this, the way you did it?
No, it's not like that, but I just bring pistol to give my father, as my father did defense. But there's the opposite thing, like they are more in number, they are young. My father is senior citizen, so I just something comes in my mind, like my father unable to defend himself, so I take action. But I know it's wrong. Actually, I don't know the rules properly, and just the license is in the name of my father, and it's wrong. I know it's wrong, but I just take this decision for my father only, and I'm not going to shoot him. Like I am just defending me and my family, because no one with us. We are 3 in number, they are more in number. As you see in the video, there are 5 in the video, but there are lots of people, and some people are drunk, so they use abusing words with my father, and just push my father back, and just start fighting. So I just defense as a defense, I use this gun, and the gun is on the safe mode, where I'm not going to shoot anyone. Even I don't know about how to shoot, and even in my background, like educational, I belong from the educational background. I never used the gun. As everyone know, like in this whole district Hardoi, everyone knows, like my father is not like that person. My father is so calm, and my father didn't never use abusing words with anyone, but they use, and they just try to kill us. Like they told, just I will fire on your whole car, and I just don't speak more, and they use abusing words and misbehave with my father, and try to fight with my father. But as you know,
didn't you think of any legal action against you before taking out the pistol the way you did?
Yes, I was thinking, and I call police, and we are just we all three get in the car, and everyone just outside the car. There are lots of people, and say just fire in the car, and we call police, and police reach. After that, we save our lives, and everything is happens. As you see in the camera, like there are short clip which is in the news, but if you check the camera, so my father just there is no fault of my father. Like they use abusing words, and lots of things happens. If you want, then you can check out the whole footage and cameras there.
Can you tell us clearly, what exactly were you thinking when you did this?
एक्चुअली मैंने इसलिए निकाली कि क्योंकि वो उन्होंने फाइटिंग स्टार्ट कर दी थी मेरे पापा के साथ, तो मैंने इसलिए गन निकाली थी कि मैं अपने पापा को दे दूंगी जिससे कि वो अपना डिफेंस कर पाए। बट मेरे दिमाग में ये आया कि मेरे पापा तो सीनियर सिटीजन है और वो वहां पर 5 लोग हैं और वो यंग है, तो मेरे पापा अगर वो लोग मेरे पापा को कुछ कर दें या फिर, तो मैंने खुद ऐसा डिसीजन लिया। बट मुझे पता है कि ये रॉन्ग है।
नहीं, जब आपको पिस्टल चलानी नहीं आती है, व्हेन यू डोंट नो हाउ टू शूट, व्हाई डिड यू इवन टेक आउट द पिस्टल?
I passed my 12th in 2023 and I just qualified NEET. I am going to take admission in Uzbekistan MBBS.
How old are you? Can you tell us?
एक्चुअली वहां पर ऐसा था कि वहां पर उन्होंने ऐसे धक्का दिया, तो वहां पर टाइम नहीं था कि पुलिस को कॉल करने का, तो मैंने वो एक्शन लेने के बाद फौरन ही पुलिस को कॉल किया। तो वहां पर पुलिस आई तो हम लोग सेफली वहां से बच पाए। अगर मैंने पुलिस को कॉल किया था बाद में, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ था नहीं कि हाँ वो लोग ड्रंक थे।
नहीं, लेकिन सवाल ये है, अगर आपको किसी चीज की शिकायत थी तो आप पुलिस स्टेशन जाएंगी या फिर इस तरह से बंदूक निकालेंगी? सवाल सबसे बड़ा आज ये है।
प्रशासन के पास जाना मतलब उसके लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए था, बट एट अ मोमेंट दे आर जस्ट पुशिंग बैक माय फादर। मेरे पापा को धक्का दिया और कॉलर पकड़ा, तो मुझे, और वहां पर वो लोग ड्रंक किए होते, वो लोग अपने होश आवास में, कुछ लोग नहीं थे, कुछ लोग थे, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था।
नहीं, पर ऐसे चलता है क्या देश? मतलब आपने जिस तरह से बंदूक निकाली है, क्या ये सही तरीका है?
हमारे पास मोबाइल नहीं था, अगर हम मोबाइल निकालते और कॉल करते उतनी देर में बहुत कुछ हो सकता था। तो मैंने ये एक्शन लेने के बाद फौरन पुलिस को कॉल किया, नंबर डायल करते हुए, फौरन जाकर के नंबर डायल किया और पुलिस को कॉल किया और पुलिस आई भी। बट ये भी देश ऐसे भी नहीं चल सकता है कि हम लोग उनके कस्टमर थे, वो ऐसे कामली बोल सकते थे, और दे आर यूजिंग द अब्यूजिंग वर्ड्स विद अस, इवन वी डोंट लाइक मिसबिहेव विद देम।
All right, आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ. In fact, let's also tell our viewers about this shocking incident that we are talking about. And viewers, you can see the visual clearly. This incident took place in Hardoi in Uttar Pradesh, where you can see a woman, taking out the pistol and threatening the people who were just doing their job at that point in time. She has her own reasons to defend herself and say that she was right in taking out the pistol. That was to defend herself and her family members. But just look at the scary visual that you can see on your screens right now. How she gets the pistol from the car, how she threatens, puts it on the chest of the person there, how she yanks out the revolver and threatens the other person at the CNG station. And this entire video, in fact, this entire episode was caught on camera. It is going viral as well. And we've been speaking to the same girl that you can see on your screens right now, who in her defense says that she doesn't really know how to even use the pistol, that she was actually using to threaten the salesman here. And there you can see there seems to be some kind of physical altercation also that began, and that's when she runs to the car and then she brings that pistol out, and she is in her defense saying that she does not even know how to use it. She got it because the situation went out of control. So the questions that arise include that why did she not seek help from people, and why was she even carrying this kind of pistol openly in a place like Hardoi in Uttar Pradesh? And she, in her defense, saying that she brandished this particular pistol to save her family, to save her father specifically.